Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something simple but super useful. Cell phone holders. Whether you're watching videos, video calling, or just keeping your phone steady, a good holder makes a big difference. Here are 10 tips to help you get the most out of your cell phone holder. If you use a cell phone holder in your car, I'm guessing you've experienced some of the pain points that I'll talk about today. In this video, I am going to share 10 things you should know about using a cell phone holder in your car. Now, these may seem like small things, but they can really make a difference in your overall experience and safety when using a cell phone holder in your car. Let's dive in. First, choose the right mount. There are 3 main types of mounts: dashboard, windshield, and air vent. Dashboard mounts are great because they restable and don't move around like the ones that attach to the windshield. However, if you park outside in hot weather, the heat can cause the adhesive to weaken over time. The same goes for windshield mounts. Those are great if you park inside or in the shade. And air vent mounts are perfect if you want to free up space in your car and still have easy access to your phone. Second, don't block airbags or key controls. When placing your phone holder, make sure it doesn't obstruct any airbags or buttons for the hazards, steering control, etc. Third, use a holder with 360-degree rotation. This will allow you to easily switch between portrait and landscape mode. This is especially helpful for GPS navigation or hands-free calling. Fourth, clean the mounting surface regularly. As I mentioned earlier, if you park in direct sunlight, the adhesive can become weak, so make sure to clean the surface with alcohol wipes and a dry cloth before mounting the holder. Fifth, adjust the angle before you drive. Don't be like me. Don't mess around with it while you're driving. Not only is it distracting, but it can also be dangerous. Sixth, opt for one-handed operation. If possible, pick a mount that allows you to place and remove your phone using just one hand. Seventh, consider magnetic holders. If you like the clean look and fast mount and dismount, then go for a magnetic holder. Eighth, keep charging in mind. If you're using a wired charger, make sure the phone holder doesn't block your charging port or interfere with your charger. Some holders even come with built-in wireless charging. Now that's pretty slick. Ninth, secure the holder firmly each week. Even the best phone holders can loosen over time, so make sure to check the tightness and grip of the holder each week. And 10th, don't rely on it for distraction. Yes, the phone holder is great for keeping your phone within reach, but it shouldn't be used for anything that distracts you from the road. So there you have it. 10 things you should know about using a cell phone holder in your car. If you found this video helpful, do you want to forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more driving hacks and car tech tips. Stay safe and connected. Here are some car cell phone holders to consider for you in the link below.